Finding the perfect rental platform as a property manager can be tedious, especially if you don't have experience in the field. Overall, you must consider many different features before you can even sign up for property management software, such as the quality of the support team, the efficiency of financial reports, and the value for money. One interesting option among property managers is the Resman platform. Resman offers a decent range of features that could make your life easier, especially if you're dealing with a complicated portfolio. Now, is Resman the right option for you? You'll find out today. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a property management expert with DoorLoop, here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but in this video, we will be reviewing Resman. That way, you can decide for yourself if it's the right platform. So what is Resman's property management software? Resman, in a nutshell, is a property management software company that provides users with a suite full of features to control their housing. A great thing about Resman is that it offers and supports different types of properties, such as residential, commercial, and affordable housing. Even though Resman is mostly used in the real estate community, it also gets used in the accounting, nonprofit work, hospitality, and more. Resman was designed for property managers, so if you're having any issues handling your entire portfolio, then Resman could be a great option to explore. Why do people like Resman? You may be wondering what makes Resman different than other softwares on the market. In essence, the platform is user-friendly, allowing those without experience with property management software to manage everything comfortably. One of the things that most users praise about Resman is its ease of use, as well as its integration offers. However, something else that makes Resman stand out even more to the competition is that it's also a great platform for tenants. From maintenance requests to packaging tracking, your tenants will also have access to a platform to make things easier for them. While Resman was designed for property managers, you should keep in mind that it's a comprehensive solution that covers most needs in the market. Resman overall is a property management platform that will make everything easier for you. Let's talk about Resman's most notable features, starting with dynamic housing. The most important feature of Resman is that it covers a lot of property types, so regardless of what you're working with as a project manager, chances are that you'll find Resman useful. Generally speaking, you can manage residential, multifamily, commercial, and affordable housing. Resman's dashboard allows you to manage everything about your business in the most efficient way possible. You can manage your inventory, projects, transaction categories, and orders through the same platform, which makes it easier and faster to get everything done. As mentioned before, tenants also have access to the platform where they can make requests, submit payments, and more. If both parties use the platform, you can ensure a much healthier and more efficient leasing relationship. Resman does a great job in the accounting department. You can expect a built-in accounting module where you can automate processes, track your inventory or expenses, process invoices, and many more. Something interesting about the accounting module is that it also comes with an automatic budget tool, which is perfect for those looking for a solution to manage their cash flow and or make better investment decisions in the future. Thanks to Resman's accounting features, you'll know exactly where your money is going, which will allow you to make the right call when the time comes. If you're looking to market your properties efficiently, then Resman may have this solution. This platform comes with a CRM platform where you can create customized pages for your properties. You can include images, videos, or virtual tools to make the website more appealing. Furthermore, if you want to see how your website is performing, Resman provides you with detailed marketing analytics that can help you review your past decisions and see where you can improve your strategy. Thanks to Resman's lead generation feature, you can communicate with your prospective tenants through your preferred channel, whether it's a text message or email. Then if you got a few interested people, you can use Resman's platform to create online applications, send them, and get everything done. Additionally, you can also use resident screenings, credit checks, and more. Finally, Resman allows users to create leases, so once everyone is ready to sign, all you have to do is create the document and send it. Affordable housing. Not all property management software offers support for affordable housing, so this is something people really appreciate from Resman. Overall, you can expect many different tools that help you manage affordable housing, including custom tax credit features, HUD certification and compliance tools, and more. So now let's talk about Resman's pricing. Unfortunately, Resman doesn't offer any information on its pricing online. You can request a free demo to see if the platform works for you, and if you're satisfied, you can call the company's sales team to get a quote for the services. Resman is a great property management platform that most users will enjoy. However, when it comes to property management software, there are dozens of different options to consider. So let's put some competitors against Resman that also do an excellent job at providing providing excellent support, good value for money, and tons of features that will make handling your business much easier. Starting with DoorLoop. DoorLoop offers everything you need to become a more effective property manager. One of the great things about DoorLoop is that it offers amazing value for your money. So if you're looking for a low-cost solution that doesn't sacrifice features, you came to the right place. This property management software has been used by landlords, property managers, owners, investors, management companies, and tenants. Additionally, you can expect to manage a wide range of properties with DoorLoop, including commercial, residential, mobile homes, student housing, and more. You can click the link in the description or go to doorloop.com/YouTube to get a free demo. You can consider DoorLoop an all-in-one solution to all your property management needs, so you can expect a lot of features to help you in your journey. Let's take a look at some of those features. Rent collection platform. DoorLoop has an excellent platform that allows landlords to collect rent easily while making it easier for the tenant too. Thanks to the tenant portal, they can set up their payments in a way that they consider fit, whether it's automatic or manual payments. Some great actions that allow you to make rent payments easier include receive payments, issue credit, give refund, post charge, and withdraw deposit. DoorLoop allows users to work with debit, credit, or ACH payments, so you can rest assured you won't have any problems collecting rent with this platform. Owner portal. If you have partners or owners that you must respond to, you can use DoorLoop to create detailed reports on how everything is going with the properties. Regardless of the case, you won't take more than a few minutes to generate a report. Accounting tools. Like Resman, DoorLoop has efficient accounting tools that will help you down the road. Thanks to its QuickBooks integration, for example, you can deal with your accounting easily. Efficient and streamlined communication channels. Communicating with your tenants is easier than ever with DoorLoop. You can talk to your tenants within the DoorLoop app, which they can access through their desktop, PC, laptop, or smartphone. Easy leasing and property management. You can easily add properties with DoorLoop. All you have to do is click on Create New and enter all the necessary details about the unit. Then you can add photos, additional owners, and any other vital information your prospective tenant should know about. Moreover, once you're ready to sign a lease with a new tenant, you can go on DoorLoop and create a lease adapted to your needs within minutes. If you were to add a new tenant to an existing lease, for example, you can also do that. Maintenance request. DoorLoop's tasks and maintenance portal allows users to handle any maintenance request. This includes creating an order, editing it, or adding subtasks. So all that may sound great, but what's DoorLoop's pricing like? DoorLoop starts at $99 per month for its Pro plan, which is the most popular plan, and that's billed yearly. If you're on a budget, you could also check out the starter plan, which starts at just $49 per month for up to your first 20 units. And finally, the premium plan starts at $140 per month. DoorLoop even offers a discount just for watching this video. So get a free demo with the link in the description or go to doorloop.com/YouTube. Choosing the right piece of software doesn't have to be that complicated. If you want to make a smart investment decision, you must first address your current situation and needs. Are you managing a single property or are you dealing with dozens of them? Also, you must keep your budget in mind. In essence, you must seek the right balance between value and price. If you find a platform that can give you all the features you need for a reasonable price, then go for it. You can upgrade later if you need to. So of course, we do consider DoorLoop the most solid option among its competition. It offers competitive pricing while offering all the features you could possibly need for managing your properties. There are dozens of features waiting to be discovered on the DoorLoop dashboard, including maintenance, request management systems, full accounting suite, efficient tenant communication tools, intuitive owner and tenant portal, easy to use platform, reliable customer service team, and so much more. Of course, the decision is up to you, but if you're eager to see how DoorLoop can help make your property management experience much easier, then schedule a demo today and get started with the link in the description. Well, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for some property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!